this part, this is the part that where condensation process of distilled organic solvents will take place. So again, see at this part, and even here that we have another outlet. If you're interested in, show it. And then we have this tube. Okay. And then this tube now is pouring the solution, so the distilled water in a beaker. You can collect it in a beaker or in other chemistry. So this is the distilled now. We call it distilled liquid water. You can also mix with water. You can do the distillation. Okay. So this we say that we are not boiling this now. We are not heating distilled. We call it distilled. Distilled liquid water. Liquid water. So this, or simply say that this is the organic solvent. So here, if we label this, this is we call it organic solvent, or we call it liquid in some of the references. The other liquids. Against this line, we call it separating layer. Separating layer. And this one, this is water. Right? Again, here we have what? Here we have steam. So in this pipe, we have steam. And then this we say that is water. And this is, we call it steam generator. Right? So this diagram, the conical flask, call it steam generator. Steam generator. This is steam. So this is steam. Steam generator, this is impure and water. This is water outlet. This one. It's water, just like this water inlet. And this we call it water outlet. Water outlet. Okay. Water inlet. Okay. So simply, this is immiscible liquids that we've been talking about. Immiscible liquid that we've been discussing about. So all of these diagrams, or that is figure 5.2. This is figure, you label it there at the bottoms. Figure 5.2. Okay. We are learning about steam distillations, and this is experimental work of steam about steam distillation. So the next question that now you are asking yourself, how is this steam process carried on? Okay? Just leave the figure for you to draw it properly. How do you carry this process of steam distillation? How the process goes? Because we say that the method that we use in chemistry to separate the miscible liquid, where we have organic solvent, we call it liquid, and water. So let me explain it in step to step before I write the description. So stay tuned. Okay, this is how the process is taking place. Please listen. Okay? Here we have, this is a conical flux, right? Called in chemistry. And this against another conical flux. And this is called just like a condenser, right? So this we call it a condenser. This is the condenser. We want just to do the condenser. to do the condensation process, and this is bigger, right? Then these are the tubes. So what is going on here? Okay, so we can extend these tubes here, against this tube to this point. So what's happening here? This conical flask, we call it the steam generator. What the means of the generator? Just like in physics or in engineering, a generator, it means that it's a device used to generate something or produce something or to give something out. So this steam generator, it's the one that produces the steam in order to separate the immiscible liquids in this conical flask, right? So this steam generator is heated up the boiling points of water, because the steam we are using is water, right? So when water is boiling, at 100 degrees centigrade, then water starts forming vapor. And that vapor, for this case, we don't call it vapor, we call it steam, right? So this is the steam produced in this steam generator chamber, because we say that this is water and this is source of heat, and this, okay, and then we say that this is the tube. So the steam will be generated in this conical flask, will be taken through this pipe, right, up to the immiscible or the conical flask containing the immiscible liquids, right? So this is immiscible liquids. This one, this is the higher denser, right, higher denser liquid or solvent, pure solvent, and this is the less denser solvent. Again, this line, we length it, we call it a separating layer, okay? So this steam, when it will be introduced in this conical flask, actually the whole solution is going to gain heat, because this steam is 100 degrees centigrade, while the immiscible liquid is not boiled elsewhere, or it has been boiled but below 100 degrees centigrade, right? So what's going to happen is, when this immiscible liquid is heated and also the steam is coming, then it's going to hit this solvent, this immiscible liquid. We say that the liquid or the organic solvent should have less boiling point, means should boil or should form volatile according to this condition. Say that the organic solvent must be volatile at a temperature below 100 degrees centigrade. So because this steam is 100 degrees centigrade and above, then what's going to happen here? When the heating process is taking place for these immiscible liquids, the organic solvents or the liquids at the top of a separating layer between that liquids and the water will gain what will be boiled, right? Will be forming volatile. And that volatile, it won't go back to this, because at the high pressure, it means the steam is flowing to this conical flask continuously. So what the process which will take place means that the volatile solvent, organic solvents, will be passing through this tube, right? So it will be passing through this tube. Because of this is the condenser, and then sometimes that used to put some cooling stuff, right, in order to cool this steam with this volatile solvent, right? So when the cooling process is taking at the condenser, finally we are going to collect the distilled liquid or the distilled organic solvent from the immiscible liquids. So if this is the benzene, then see we are going to collect the benzene while we have water in the conical flask, and hence our main objective of separating the immiscible liquids has been achieved successfully, right? Yeah, so I think that you understood. So let me just write short description for you to go through them when you'll be learning and devising this stuff, okay? So the question is, explain briefly how the process of steam distillation, okay? Explain. This is question 5, if I'm not mistaken. Don't worry about numbers. Explain briefly, right, how the steam distillation, take place. So one just need to explain. Okay, so how is it taking place? As I've explained to you, number one, we say that the first stage we say that the steam is produced by heating water in the conical flask. Right? In the first steam conical flask. Okay? To its boiling point of 100 degrees centigrade. The second step which is going to take place, we say that the steam produced by the steam generator produced by the steam generator is passed at 1 degree centigrade through the pipe, towards the miscible